Okay, here's a stool which was picked up from our ancestral house in Kerala, which my aunt gave it to me. It's a very old one, quite sturdily built, but is rather crude. Now, I wanted to improve upon this because Priya wanted to use it for sitting sometimes and for some yoga or some other activity. So let's see how this can be improved upon. Okay. Now what I have done is I have planed all the sides. Okay. Top is also planed. Sides have been planed. Now I plan to put a groove here with my another tool and then work on these areas. Let's see how best we can finish it. There are some cracks which you can't help. Then we'll polish. Before that, we will be okay. Now I have what I've done is with this tool bit on the router, I have trimmed these edges along the sides, and as you can see, it is really looking quite nice all around. Now let's have a look at the finished stool. This, like I told you, is more than 60-70 years old, and as you saw before, it's in a state of disrepair and it was filthy. So I started with the legs, polished them, cleaned them, which took a lot of time and effort. Then this was all polished up, cleaned. A ridge was put with the router. These cracks were filled up, and now on the whole it's looking quite nice, and here it is.